you shut the door on me? Come on.
I don't want to be on the
You.
my hearing's on.
Alright, fine. Dude, look. It's all windy. It's not raining, it's just wind. Whoa. Look at that tree. It's right by my cousin's car. Huh? You want to go walk up the front? They might got people patrolling. Isn't it curfew? Yeah, this is, I'll inch my way forward. Like, dude, look at all this crap in the yard. Like, Jesus. My luck, I'll probably step on some. Yeah, it's not really flooding over here. Just got a bunch of leaves and grass in the middle of the street in the yard. Oh, I'm putting one in my mom's car. She's trying to flip out. Inch toward, because I really don't want to have the policeman stop over him. And I got a bright red shirt on too. Jesus. Yeah. Woo! It'd be nice if that tree fell down. But like, yeah, it's just basically no one's here, so it's like, it feels like Dawn of the Dead. Like, I'm just waiting for the zombies to run down that street, and then I just run in the house and just like shoot myself in the head, you know? Just joking. It's pretty awesome, man. I still have electricity. The main storm didn't hit yet. It's about what, 8:30, 8 o'clock, something like that. You want to take a look in the back? Wait, what? Yeah, we got a nice roadblock right here. I like this big blue roadblock. Huh? Well, I want to go in the back real quick. We're not going to go far. Oh, shit. Come on, car. Crap all over. You're freaking out.
You'll have to go out after and look at the damage. They can't see the wind.
No makeup.
Alright, whatever. Get out of my face.
That was fun. It's all windy out there. Yeah, stop yawning. I need some batteries.
You better get in front because the power just flickers.
Yeah, power. It's been flickering the past hour or so. Dude, that was awesome. So freaking windy. It felt good too. It wasn't raining, so. All right, I'll try to be posting this up in a few minutes. Adios.